My feeling is up. We went to Smita fireworks. Yeah. Today is too hot, but we wearing yukata. This is so cute. My yukata is purple. This yukata is black one. There's so much dot. Yukata is too hot, but so cute. My feeling is up. My feeling good. Up.
Very nice.
If you go to fireworks, おすすめします。浴衣をウェアリングすること。
全部日本語
おす
になった。
すめ。If you come to fireworks, let's wear 浴衣, please. Please
じゃない
wearing 浴衣。
Let's は一緒にっていうことだね。
Oh, you should wear 浴衣。
Yeah, okay. Very nice.
Yeah. Today, so many people, but fireworks so beautiful. He's sleeping now.
A little bit. Because we're standing under the sun the whole day.
We have to go return this yukata. We have no time now. Yeah, so let's go. I don't want to nugu yukata.
Take off.
Take off yukata. I'm so sad, but mata kimasu. We come again here next year.
Yeah.
I will show you beautiful fireworks movie. どうぞ。